welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna start out with the eyes first. I'm gonna be using two palettes, the Huda Beauty Sapphire palette, Sapphire Obsessions palette, and also the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow palette. And I have my retainers in, so that's kind of why I'm talking weird, but yeah. So we're gonna use this line of colors here, this line of blue colors, and we're also going to use this color, but I'm going to start out with this color and put it into my crease and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and use this color and blend that on top of the first shade. Well, basically blend it in with the first shade. Next, I'm going to go into this dark blue shade right here in the Huda Beauty palette and blend that on the outer parts of my eyes, so on the outer edge, and also going to blend it on there, and I'm also going to blend it on the inner edge. Next, I'm going to go into the NYX palette again. I'm going to take that color and blend that, I dropped my brush, but I'm going to blend that in the middle between the two shades. It's going to be one of my lid colors. I'm going to have multiple lid colors in this video. It's going to kind of set the base for the glitter shadow that I'm going to put on the top. Then I'm going to go into this Fenty Beauty highlight palette, and those are the colors on the back, the color names. And then I'm also going to take the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and it also has the name on the back. I'm going to go in with this blue color here and place that directly onto my lid. But first, I'm going to spray my brush with some NYX primer spray. So here I'm just putting the Fenty Beauty shade on my lid on top of the first shade I put down, and then I'm going to take the highlight palette and I'm going to go in with this really bright pastel blue color, that color right there, and then I'm going to blend that on top of the two shades. And then after I put that shade down, I'm going to go back in with the first shade that I used in the very beginning. And I'm going to I'm going to go in with that first shade that I used in the very beginning. And I'm going to just blend out my crease again because the color kind of got lost in the sauce. So I'm basically going to take all the shade. I'm basically going to start from the beginning and go in with all the colors that I used and blend those back out on my lid. So as you see, I'm going to take this dark blue here and blend it back into my crease, on my outer crease and also on my inner crease. And this just helps to blend and mesh all the eyeshadows together. And here's the finished look. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I went off camera to do my lashes and my liner and my like the rest of my face, and this is the finished eye look. The lashes are from my lash collection. They're in the style Bali, and these will be in the description box below. I tried to go for like a baby blue look, but I didn't have any baby blue eyeshadow like colors really, so this is what I came up with, but it's still really pretty. And this is the top that I'm wearing today. I love halter tops. I'm just like really into halter tops. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like this video, which is the same thing as giving me a thumbs up. Share this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you like me. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.